Fireflies, Rakesh here. Here is the story of our Dhanushkodi ride. Enjoy.
The road which we are running, which is not so good because I think it's an old paving. The road is now not that good, but still the views. So this is called. You can see the bikes. So the white bikes are getting much popular these days. I thought the red will be popular, but whites are getting much popular. Firefly bike. That's his code. Chris, say hi. So far you have done somewhere around 50-60 kilometers. So 200 more to go. See you on road.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
From this Y split, we should have taken the right, but instead of that, I went left and then the squad followed, which costed us almost 16 kilometers detour collectively. By the time we reached BODI, it was already 2:30 in the afternoon. That was just 20% of our total journey planned for the day. We were actually thinking about cut shorting the plans and stay somewhere in Madurai.
We stay late, wind on our skin, we won't come home. Radio on, rose colored light, pretending I'm famous. I keep driving to clear my head, I keep driving to find a getaway. I keep chasing a love, just ahead and close enough now. Either fight, we could
Once we reached at the bottom, Tamil Nadu welcomed us with street foods. But for a twisty lover like me, straight roads are always boring. We took a coffee break and discussed the right plans ahead. His name is Manikandan. He made nice coffee for us. If you're passing by this route, make sure you stop by and have a coffee from him and tell him that you saw him on YouTube. From THENI till Madurai, roads were like this, scenic and straight. We were keeping good average speeds on these roads. These roads gave us confidence to push off from Madurai and ride till Rameshwaram. By the time we reached Madurai, it was already dark, so I stopped recording using my action cam. It cannot shoot anything clearly after sunset, so I stopped using the camera. Madurai is an old city, so full of traffic and chaos. So we wanted to cross that place somehow. Some of us got dispersed in this traffic chaos, and we had to wait for rest of the gang, and we had to call them in between. And finally, everybody united somewhere outside the city limits. Though the traffic was hectic in Madurai, everybody was still in good shape, in good energy to ride ahead. So everybody wanted to ride ahead till Rameshwaram. Well, that was a good decision too, because from Madurai to Rameshwaram, the road is actually deserted. Rameshwaram by I think 1 o'clock. The delay has happened. Why? Because some of us were actually slow and they were behind. And a funny thing happened in between is that like the fast moving group, took a wrong deviation, and we were waiting for the slower group to join us, and they took a different route and they went ahead and they reached Rameshwaram um, earlier than us. I'm ending this part of video here. If you like this format, I'm trying this for the first time. If you like this format, do comment below and give me your suggestions, um, how I can improve and all. So thanks for your time. If you haven't subscribed, if you're here for the first time, uh, please do subscribe, and please do press that bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Having more subscribers is actually an inspiration to create more, travel more, and all. Well, just saying. So thanks for your time again. Stay tuned, stay blessed, ride safe. See you on next video.